Hi everybody, Annie here with Koi's Cookery. Alright, it's about time that I stop gatekeeping this recipe. This is one of my favorite ever recipes. I've been making it for many years and I call it beauty soup because it actually has so many beneficial ingredients for your hair, skin, nails, and the best part is it's really simple to make. It's delicious, it's filling. So let's get started. What you're going to need is a whole carton of chicken stock as well as a whole carton of bone broth. So the bone broth is super important in this recipe because it adds a lot of flavor, a lot of protein, and the best part is it's full of collagen. We're really going for collagen in this soup because collagen helps with so many beauty components. So next, add in some onion salt, and I even put in some chicken bouillon to add some extra flavor. The one I use is organic, so make sure you use a high quality one. Add in your rotisserie chicken or whatever cooked chicken that you have, and I even threw in the bones because we want that extra collagen and vitamins from the bones. It's very important here, guys. Don't worry, I picked out the bones later. So the vegetables I like to use are peas, carrots, as well as Napa cabbage. Napa cabbage is so delicious in here because it really absorbs the flavor and it helps you get full really quick for a very low amount of calories as well. So next I started adding in my spices. They don't have to be added in any particular order just because we're going to cook them for a long time anyway. The spices I like to use are Japanese 7 spice, some onion salt, pepper, garlic salt. I even add some turmeric in a bit later just for anti-inflammatory purposes. And that's really it. I'll list all the ingredients down in the description box below. Pick out your bones now. I let all the ingredients stir and marinate for about 15 minutes. The longer you cook it, the more flavorful it's going to be. So I added in some black pepper, which is optional, but I do it to taste. And a really important ingredient, I think, is some nutritional yeast. This adds a really nice savory flavor and has a lot of nutrients. Next is going to be huge. We're going to add some collagen peptides. My favorite brand is by Vital Proteins, and I add about 4 scoops of that in and let that stir because this soup is all about collagen. I love it, guys. So go ahead and stir that and just let it marinate for maybe about 15-20 minutes. There's just me adding the turmeric, and I add some scallions in there. I highly recommend adding some seaweed, although I ran out, but I typically do put seaweed in my soup as well. And then the last step will be to add in some chili peppers. I like to add this in last because if I do it at the very beginning, it just marinates for way too long and the soup becomes way too spicy. So I add in cilantro and chili pepper at the very end, let it cook for about another 5-10 minutes or so, and that's it. You're done. You have a hearty, delicious soup that took under an hour to make and has a lot of collagen, health, and beauty benefits. Best of all, it's filling, it's low calorie, it's low carb. What is not to love, guys? This is my go-to recipe and I hope that it becomes yours. Thank you for watching and please give your girl a like, subscribe, and comment. Love you guys and have a happy new year.